Change your PDF into an interactive activity with Seesaw's new Converter resource. Let me show you how. Let's see how you can turn this PDF into this interactive activity. Let's go. From your Seesaw homepage, you can click on Seesaw AI over here on the left or create an activity. Once you're here, you will see you can generate activities lots of ways. Today, we'll look at Convert a Resource. Now it's time to upload your document. You can drag and drop into this box, or you can upload from your device, or grab from your Google Drive. I will go ahead and upload today. I'm going to pick a reading passage. Now, once you're here, you can select the pages you want. So for example, I don't need this answer key, so I can uncheck that and click next. Then this will pull your text and your images. So again, we do not need these images. If you want to keep the images, you can leave them. And if you don't want them, you can delete them. Let's take one away and leave one so you can see the difference. Click next. Now just pick the style you want for your page. I like to keep it simple and click generate activity. Okay, so here's the activity we got. And if we want to revert to the original, we could click here, but that would just be the PDF. I'm going to X out of that so we can work on the activity. So you'll see this picture kind of kept a little bit of the text. It's kind of funny. We could move this picture around, or we can simply go down here and delete it. You can also go ahead and click on the text and unlock it. And once it's unlocked, you can modify it how you want. And then you can add other Seesaw elements. If I click on those three dots, I could add the read with me option, which would then allow me to record my voice reading. And as students listen, the words would be highlighted. Let's jump down to page 3, where on our PDF, we had students writing answers. This is how it translated it for us, where we still have the question and then we have a text box where students can type their answer. Once you're done, you will just click the green check, and if everything looks how you want it to, save it. It will now be added to your library, and you're ready to assign this activity to your students, where you can now collect data and have examples of their work. Let me show you another example. Here I have a 3rd grade activity where students down here had to write whether this was a statement or a question on the line. And students are going to now drag and drop their answer instead of write it on the paper. For the second part, students will type the punctuation instead of writing it on the paper. And then they can also check their work to see if they did it correctly. So if I'm a student and I come in here and I type a question mark, I can click check my work and it tells me try again, this was not correct. So this one is in practice mode, so students could go in here and they can try again until they get it correct. On the teacher side, you will receive data that shows you how many times the student tried before they got it correct. We can't wait to see how you use the new Seesaw AI tools in your classroom. Let us know which tool you want us to dive into next and give you a tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe and look out for new videos every week.